Look, if your budget is just praying your card works, if you open your banking app the way people open horror films, and if you keep telling yourself, I will sort my money out when I finally grow some discipline, I am talking to you. Because here is the truth no one told you. You do not have a discipline problem. You have a system problem. And in this video, I am giving you the Automatic Millionaire Blueprint, how to build wealth without willpower. Yes, without willpower, you can stay lazy, chaotic, a bit of a mess, and still build wealth. Are you with me? Good. Stay for 10 minutes. This might be the most profitable procrastination you have all week. Welcome back. I am going to be very honest but top money mentor for the day. This video is for you if you never stick to budgets, you feel guilty about money, and you think when I earn more then I'll start investing. No, we are not waiting for one day. We are building a system that works even if you can only start with $1. This comes straight from my book, From Spare Change to Smart Wealth, the $1 blueprint for low-income investors to build wealth with fractional investing. If you like what you hear today, the link to the book is below. Click it, grab it, and let it be the last money book you just mean to read later. But first, let us fix this no discipline drama. The big lie, I'm just bad with money. It's not true. It's a belief holding you back from smart wealth. You know that feeling? You promise yourself, this month I will save, I will budget, I will be a responsible adult. Day 3, your friend messages, hey, want to go out? You are like, yes, absolutely, future me will pay. End of the month, nothing saved. Again. You feel like a failure. Again. Listen, you are not broken. Your brain is normal. Your brain feels like now, not later. Pleasure, not patience. Easy, not effort. So when people tell you just use more willpower, they are basically saying, just stop being human. No, we are not doing that. We are going to build a money system that does not care about your mood, your cravings, or your Netflix habit. That is the Automatic Millionaire Blueprint. Rule 1. Never trust future you. Future you is a liar. Future you says, I will save at the end of the month. I will invest when I have more money. I will read that book when I am less busy. Spoiler, future you never does it. So we stop giving future you any power. Our rule is simple. Money for your future leaves your account before you can touch it. Automatically. Every month. With no further consent. You will not feel more disciplined. You will just quietly get richer. With no further consent. You will not feel more disciplined. You will just quietly get richer. Step 1. Pick your automatic amount. This is the amount that will automatically grow your wealth. First step. Not, what do I invest in? The first question is, how much can I send away every week or month without crying, panicking, or eating instant noodles for 20 days straight? How much can I send away every week or month without crying, panicking, or eating instant noodles for 20 days straight? That is your automatic amount. For now, keep it small. Examples: in the US, maybe it is $5 a week. In India, maybe 100 rupees a week. In Nigeria, maybe 1,000 naira a week. In the Philippines, maybe 50 pesos a week. In the UK, maybe £3 a week. If you are really tight, start with $1. Yes, $1. That is the whole point of my book. From Spare Change to Smart Wealth. The $1 blueprint for low-income investors to build wealth with fractional investing. You are not trying to impress anyone. You are just proving you can start. Say your automatic amount out loud. Right now. My automatic amount is 150. If you are watching this video in public, say it in your head if you must. But if you are alone, I want you to say it out loud. You are making a decision, not a wish. Please tell us what you like about this video so far and your plan to implement the first step. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you will not miss out on anything financial success. Step 2. Make it automatic, not heroic. If you have to remember it, it will not happen. We are not relying on your memory. We are building a robot butler for your money. Here is what you do. 1. Open your banking app. 2. Set an automatic transfer. 3. From your main account. 4. To a separate wealth account. 5. On the same day or next day you get paid. Example, you get paid on the 30th. On the 1st, your bank automatically sends your automatic amount to your wealth account. On the 1st, your bank automatically sends your automatic amount to your wealth account. You can be sleeping, at work, on a bus, or crying over memes. It still happens. After this video, not tomorrow, not later tonight, Open your app and set that transfer. Name the account something fun like Future Freedom, Quiet Rich, Do Not Touch, Get Me Out of This Job. When you see the name, you remember why you are doing it and be more committed to your financial freedom. Saving is good, but if you only save, inflation is slowly stealing from you. So we do one more thing. We turn that automatic money into automatic investing. Now, before your brain screams too hard, let me keep this very simple. Fractional investing means you do not need to buy a full share of anything. You do not need $200. You can invest $1 or $5 into a slice of a share. You do not need $200. You can invest $1 or $5 into a slice of a share. Like buying one slice of pizza instead of the whole shop. Over time, slice by slice, you own a lot more. So your system looks like this. Money leaves your main account automatically. Lands in your wealth account. Then, each month or week, you invest that amount through a fractional investing app or platform. You do not need to be a trading genius. You do not need to watch the market every day. You just drip small amounts into a simple index fund or a diversified ETF or whatever low-fee simple option exists in your country. I break the choices down in plain language in my book, From Spare Change to Smart Wealth. If you want me to literally walk you step by step through how low-income investors can use $1 at a time to build real wealth with fractional investing, click the book link below and grab your copy. Do not just add it to wish list. Actually buy it, then use it. Your future self will thank you, or at least stop shouting at you. Please like this video and share it for others to see it. Real people, real tiny amounts. Let us make this real. Meet Luis in Mexico, works in a call center, starts with 20 pesos a week going into a fractional investing app. After 3 months, he is used to it, so he raises it to 40 pesos. 2 years later, he has a few months of income invested. Meet Amina in Kenya. She drives for a ride-hailing app. Her income goes up and down. She sets 100 shillings a week as her automatic amount. On good weeks, she adds more manually. On bad weeks, the 100 still moves by itself. Meet Sarah in the UK, thinks she is terrible with money, sets £5 a week. For the first year, she barely checks it. Then one day she opens the investing app and goes, "Oh, I actually have money that I did not have to remember to save." None of these people woke up disciplined. They just stopped making their future depend on motivation. That is the power of the Automatic Millionaire Blueprint. None of these people woke up disciplined. They just stopped making their future depend on motivation. That is the power of the Automatic Millionaire Blueprint. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you will not miss out on anything financial success. Make your wealth invisible. Here is another trick. Seeing your money all the time is dangerous. You open your bank app, see 300 sitting there and think, "I am rich, I can totally order food," twice. Then suddenly it is gone. So make your wealth a little bit invisible. Practical things you can do: keep your wealth account at a different bank or app. Do not carry that card in your wallet. Remove the app from your home screen. Check it once a month only, on Money Day. Money Day is simple. 1 day a month. You sit down for 10 minutes. You look at your growing investments, you say, "Nice, keep going." Then you close it and move on. No obsessing, no daily panic, just quiet growth in the background. No obsessing, no daily panic, just quiet growth in the background. This is where most boring money advice goes wrong. They say, no coffee, no eating out, no fun, no life, save everything. And then they are shocked when you quit after 10 days. So I want you to do the opposite. Yes, you are allowed to enjoy your money. You are just going to enjoy it in a smarter order. Here is the order. 1. Automatic money to wealth account. 2. Bills and basics. 3. Guilt-free fun money. You heard me. Make a fun account if you want. That is where your little treats live. Street food, cheap flights, cinema, coffee, that random thing you saw online. When you spend from the fun account, you do not feel guilty because your wealth was funded first. Rebellious, right? You get richer and still have a life. You may say, but my income is so low. I know what some of you are thinking, but I really earn very little. Listen. Some seasons are pure survival. If you are choosing between food and rent, your first job is income, not investing. Fair. But many people who say I am broke are also ordering food 3 times a week, upgrading phones every year, paying for 5 subscriptions they forgot they had, buying small treats every other day. I am not here to shame your coffee. I am asking, can you find $1 a week for your future? Because that $1 is not about the amount. It is about the identity. You are becoming the person who pays your future self first, even when it is tiny. And when your income grows, your automatic amount grows with it. Every time your income goes up, your automatic investing goes up too. Got a raise? Increase your automatic amount. Started a side hustle? Send a piece of that hustle money straight to your wealth account. Most people earn more and just buy nicer problems. Bigger car loan, more bills, fancier stress. You are not going to do that. Your script will look like this over time. Month 1, $1 a week. Month 4, $3 a week. Year 2, $10 a week. Year 5, $50 a week or more. No huge painful jumps. Just small upgrades you hardly feel. This is exactly what I teach in From Spare Change to Smart Wealth. If you are serious about not staying stuck where you are, click the link, get the book, and use it as your step-by-step roadmap. Do not just listen to this and move on. Turn it into your system. You are still human, but money feels different. Why people around you are panicking before payday, living on credit, saying, I will start investing next year. You have a growing investment account, options, breathing room. The power to say no to things you hate, because you are not living from crisis to crisis. And the funny thing, you will not feel like you worked that hard for it. Because your system did the work, not your willpower. That is wealth without willpower. That is the Automatic Millionaire Blueprint in action. Before you click away and get lost in the internet again, do these 3 things. 1. Choose your automatic amount. Say it out loud. Write it down. Commit. 2. Set the automatic transfer. Open your bank app, create a new wealth account, and set that transfer for the day you get paid. 3. Start fractional investing. Find a simple low-fee way in your country to invest small amounts regularly. Link it to your wealth account and set a day each month to invest whatever is in there. If you want me to walk you through which apps to look for, how to choose simple investments, and how to do all of this even on a low income, then click the link to my book From Spare Change to Smart Wealth. The $1 blueprint for low-income investors to build wealth with fractional investing. Do not overthink it. Buy it. Read 1 chapter. Set up 1 step. Today is the last day your money depends on how disciplined you feel. From now on, your system does the heavy lifting. All you need to do is just press the start button and the system runs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you like about the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you will not miss out on anything financial success.